welcome back to Kids Cooking Adventure, and today I'm going to be helping my brother be making these delicious oaty cookies. Should we get some ingredients?
Yes. Right, Matt, what do we need?
So we will need 75 grams of unsalted butter, 75 grams of flour, 75 grams of sugar, a tablespoon of milk, 75 grams of porridge oats, a tablespoon of baking powder, a tablespoon of golden syrup, and a handful of raisins. Let's get started.
I've got a bowl. What do I need to do, Matt?
So you need to sieve the flour into the bowl. And shake it. So the point of this was to create air in the flour. So tip the rest in because those are just bits of flour, so that's fine. So now what we need to do is stir in the oats. Put those in. The sugar. And the baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it all up.
Okay. Is it mixed well?
Yes. Right, now we need to add the raisins.
Okay.
And to mix them up.
They look tasty. While we're preparing the mixture, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius.
Or 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
So Matt, what are we going to do with the rest of the ingredients?
It's a good question, Dan. We need to melt these ingredients in the microwave in a bowl. Let's go and do that now, shall we?
I've got a microwave safe bowl. I'm going to put the butter and milk in. Get it out. And the milk.
Top tip for the syrup. Place your spoon in hot water. Dip it in. This just means that the syrup will slide right off. 1 tablespoon of syrup. Just go like that, and then look, it just comes right off, and no stickiness involved.
Now all the ingredients are in, let's go and put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. You put it in. That. Put it in. Okay, for 30 seconds.
How do you work this thing? You press it.
Okay, yeah.
Right, I've done it.
Now we've got it out of the microwave. Let's start mixing.
We've mixed everything up. Dan, please can you pass over the dry ingredients? Thank you. 3, 2. Mix that up quick.
That looks tasty.
So now that the mix is ready, we need to get a spoonful, quite a big spoonful, like a big tin, and put it in and mould it into shape, kind of like this. And repeat that with the remaining mixture. Get them into circular bits on baking paper so they don't stick. Produce about 9. And so if you've got some left over, just sprinkle some on the smallish ones, like that. Now that they're all ready, put them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes.
So they've been in the oven for 5 minutes now and they look really nice. That will be delicious when they're finished.
Right, so the cookies are out the oven.
Smells nice.
Yes, so don't forget to ask your parents for help because the tray is very hot. Leave them for 5 minutes so they can harden and cool. So the 5 minutes is over, the cookies are ready. Should we try them?
Yeah.
Be careful, it's hot. I do it. It's very nice.
Absolutely delicious.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.
Bye.